Hi everyone, welcome. If you are new here, hello, my name is Melanie. It is nice to have you here. And if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video. So you guys, for today's video, I am bringing you a beauty subscription. This is my second bag with them. They are called Yes Oh Yas. You pay $14.99 a month plus shipping. Unfortunately, it's not free shipping, so you do have to pay shipping, and you receive 4 to 7 full-size products. So last month I received, I believe, 5 products, and in this bag I received 4 products, but one of them has 3 in one set. I really enjoyed last month's bag, you guys, but this month it's a no for me. It's just, you guys will see. You guys just watch the video so you guys will see. If you guys are curious what they are all about, check them out on Instagram. Just type in Yes Oh Yes. I will also link everything that you need to know in the description below, so check that out. So if you guys want to see what Yes Oh Yes is all about, then just keep on watching. You guys, my hair is a disaster. I hate my hair. I really do. Like, I don't know what to do with them. I think I'm just chop them off. Their theme is Believe in a Unicorn. So it's really cute. And then at the back it shows you the products and how much they cost. So the first thing in the bag is this Naked Cosmetics unicorn, what is this? Holographic highlighter collection. So this is from Naked Cosmetics. It's really pretty. So this Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighter palette retails for $32. So that's really pricey. Let's go ahead and see. So there are 6 shades in here, no mirror. So I think that is pretty pricey. Let me swatch them for you guys so you can see. I'm gonna swatch it on my arms. So guys, these are the swatches on my arm. So like I said, they are very colorful highlights. You can definitely use this for pop of color on your eyes. That would be really pretty. One thing that I noticed about using a more colored highlighter is it does show your textures even more. So if you're not about texture, then steer off of, colored highlighters. I really like this one right here. I think it will be perfect for our eyes, so I'm gonna take that and put it on our cheeks. It definitely highlight and magnifies your texture, because mine is screaming right now. So yeah, I would definitely use this for a shadow, but not on my cheeks, unless, if you're gonna like do like a mermaid look or something supernatural type of look, then those type of highlighters are great for that. I don't think I would spend $32 on that highlighter, but that's just me. Okay, so the next 3 things in the bag are these brushes. This is from Aesthetica Pro Series. This is a 3-piece eye and brow brush, and this set retails for $45. So I've already received this set right here. I have it in my collection already. So I'm not going to use this today because I already have them. I want to put them aside for future giveaways for sure. But let me just pull that down a little bit so you guys can see. So you have a spoolie right here, and then you have a liner brush, and this one right here is angle brush as well. I love using this to create my wing, and well, of course also this one. I also like using this for my waterline. You definitely pack on that color that you want on the waterline. So this set right here is $45, you guys. Let's see, so we have 2 lippies in this bag. Let's see, let's talk about this one right here. So this one is from Chella. So this is a pencil nude lipstick. This is what it looks like. And this one right here says Chella Beauty Matte Lipstick. This retails for $20. And this is in, it doesn't say, Hello Beautiful. So I'm gonna try this one first. So it looks like a, wow. So it looks like a jumbo pencil. Let's see. So you guys, this is what it looks like right here. It's very nude, it's very creamy. It feels really creamy when I'm, you know, when I was swatching it on my hand. This thing right here has a very, very strong smell. Like, I can't pinpoint the smell, but it's very strong. It's not really applying really nicely on my lips. When I press my lips together, the product just kind of breaks apart. No. Yeah. I hate nude on me anyways, so definitely not for me. Like I said, it's like breaking apart on my lips. So this one is a no-go for me. It's very like tingly and minty on the lips. Just, you know, just FYI. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off, and then we'll move on to the liquid lipstick. So the last thing in this bag is this Glow Stix Semi-Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this retails for $18. So this is Glow by Glory. I've never heard of this company. So this is a semi-matte liquid lipstick. So the packaging is really cute. It has hearts and it's really very girly and it's cruelty free. So this is what the tube looks like. It's really cute. So you have a peach top with a whole bunch of little white hearts, and it says Glow Stick. And this is in the shade Honey Bun. So let me swatch that. Ooh, yes. This is my type of shade, you guys. This is the shades that I like. I like shades that has a little bit of color. I think it's perfect with the eyes that I have on right now. So excited to try this one. It's a very, very wet formula. Love this type of shades. I really get excited about this type of tones. I really love this one right here. I think this lipstick is perfect for the fall. You know, we like going a little darker when the fall comes around, so this is perfect. I've never heard of this company, but I love it, you guys. It is semi-matte. It's really, really comfortable on the lips. I love this color. Thank you. Favorite in the bag this month is this one right here for sure. So you guys, I know myself included is not very impressed with this bag this month. I wish that I gotten a palette or something, an eyeshadow palette instead of this highlighter, because I'm probably not gonna be reaching for this as much as I would reach for this palette. As you guys can see, I dug my claw into this palette. Really, really love it. So I think this is the only one that I really care for in this bag. So hopefully my next month's bag is better than this month. So what do you guys think about this subscription? And let me know your thoughts. So guys, I will link everything that you need to know in the description below. All the good stuff, the links, the codes. You guys know deal with all that stuff, so it will be in the description below. Of course, you guys don't have to use my code. If you don't want to, you don't have to click on the link if you don't want to. Also, you can check them out on Instagram and, you know, just type Yes Oh Yas. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video thumbs up if you enjoy it. Make sure you guys share. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.